Welcome for the Doorway 2 to another one of those reviews you love oh so much. Today is Friday, April 18th, 2025. We're going to be doing the fourth proper record from a band out of Rome, Italy. They're called Seventh. The album is called Pink Noise Youth. It is a very interesting mix of shoegaze, hardcore, black metal, post-rock, and I'm going to say hard and kind of blackened death, all mixed together. Looks like they're a five-piece out of Italy again, out of Rome. It's on LP, CD, and digitally through These Hands Melt, becoming one of my favorite labels as of late. Again, the way you say the band's name is Seventh, and the album is called Pink Noise Youth. There are 8 tracks on this. We're going to listen to several songs. Came out today again on CD, digital, and LP through These Hands Melt. We are going to start with track number 2. It is called Cinnamon Moon. Don't say this often, but it's spellbinding, it's mesmerizing, it's breathtaking all at the same time. Seventh. Pink Noise Youth. This album is all over the place. Again, mixes shoegaze, black metal, hardcore, post-rock, death metal, all into something that just is what they are. Let's listen to another track off of this record that came out on These Hands Melt today on CD, LP, and digital. We're going to go to track number 4, which is called Elephant. arrangements really allow the music and vocals to kind of breathe and let you envelop into the music. This one kind of had a very post-punk kind of vibe as well at times too. Again, the band's name is Seventh. The album is called Pink Noise Youth. Came out on These Hands Melt today, CD, digital, and LP. We're going to listen to one more song and wrap it up. We are going to go to track number 7. It's called Winter Blues, and here we go. Really, what the hell do you want from me more than this record? This is a step above most things. It's just different, original, and, I don't know, awe-inspiring. It draws you in. Again, the band's name is Seventh. The album is called Pink Noise Youth. CD, digital, and LP out today on These Hands Melt. What else can I tell you besides don't be a fool and get this? If you like this, I'm going to leave links to their Bandcamp and social media. If you like what I do, please like and subscribe to the Doorway 2 magazine, Instagram, YouTube, BitChute, and Rumble. Till next time, this is your old buddy Clint from the Doorway 2. I will see you.